Hey there, it's Jeff with Terrain 4x4 Adventures. Home in my garage. Finally getting around to permanently installing my Gen 3 Starlink. And I am using the TRIO mount and their 12 volt conversion kit. Installation is partially underway. Hopefully this will be an easy one. I think it will be. So follow along if you want to learn how I got this up onto the top of the van. All right, so here's the location of where I'm going to be mounting the Starlink. And again, I'm using the TRIO Flatmount. Picked that up from NOMADLINK Outfitters. If you don't want to bother with the installation, they're a great company, Lance and Cecilia. They do mobile installations and they have a shop in Las Vegas that can do the heavy lifting for you. So first step in the process was drilling a hole for the cable. And this is a Seaview cable gland. Pretty simple installation, getting a watertight fit right here. And running that cable through was a piece of cake. And so I'm gonna use the factory roof rails here, roof bars, and did have to loosen them up a bit, get them in the right location, which took a few minutes, but not too difficult. And so let's walk you through this process. All right, so I slid back the plastic caps to the crossbar, and I'm just gonna slide in these T-nuts. Got a nice long Allen bolt that fits right down in there. I'm also gonna put a little stainless steel washer so there's no conflict as this rises up through here. All right, so there you have it. Piece of cake getting this thing mounted up after getting the proper hardware. Got some nice nylon washers up top. A couple of stainless steel spacer washers down at the bottom. Got the end caps back on. All right, we're ready to wire it up inside. TRIO Flatmount. This thing's looking great. All right, so I popped out the Firefly screen, ran the wires down to the bottom underneath the seat. There's a 12 volt port down there, and got this switch as my Starlink on-off switch, and we are set to go. All right, so that's a wrap on my installation of my TRIO Flatmount with a 12 volt conversion kit. And I chose this kit for a couple reasons. Number one, I did choose to mount mine permanently, but I think later on I may put some removable bolts up top to be able to take it out if I'm ever underneath the trees. You can easily move it, and having the router built in just increases that portability of the unit as well. The other main reason why I chose the 12 volt conversion kit is that it requires 20% less power than the standard Starlink. And the main advantage is running it off the 12 volt connection. I don't need to have the inverter in the van turned on while I'm running the Starlink, which obviously drains a lot more juice. So yeah, so far it's working really well. Really happy with the installation. It was pretty straightforward, as you could see there. And like I said, NOMADLINK Outfitters out in Las Vegas would be happy to get yours installed if you'd rather have a professional do it. But as you can see from this video, it was pretty straightforward. So there you have it. Hope you found this video to be helpful and useful. And if so, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the like button as well, and would love to hear your feedback. Thank you all, and hope to see you out on the trail sometime soon. Take care, everybody.